All right, good morning, everybody. Well, we got some warmer temperatures in store for today, this time with a little bit more cloud cover. We got a ridge of high pressure right overhead, giving us some warm temperatures. And then notice off to the west, there's our next wave, which will be swinging in come tomorrow with the chance for maybe a few strong thunderstorms. It is a 90 to 100% chance of rain across East Texas for tomorrow. So it is a certainty as we head into tomorrow that we'll be able to see some good soaking rain. It is a stormy Saturday. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. is when this weather impact alert will be in place for tomorrow. A good soaking rain. We're expecting at least 1 to 2 inches of rain. We certainly need it. We have been in a drought for several days, so we are going to be definitely welcoming this rain in greatly for sure. Definitely make sure those windshield wipers are in good working order for tomorrow. Make sure to just kind of find an area of just shelter. Make sure to just definitely stay inside, especially come tomorrow evening. If you have any Valentine's Day plans, make sure they are inside. Now again, we do have a chance for maybe 1 or 2 storms out of the storms that come through to be within these severe limits. We're talking about gusty winds as the primary threat here. So that's what we're going to be watching for across East Texas as we head into tomorrow. Now, as far as our severe weather checklist, it's a very low end chance. We don't have a lot of ingredients. We have some, but we don't have everything. We certainly don't have the warm temperatures. We're only going to see highs in the upper 60s. We certainly do have a lot of moisture. That's going to be a check right there. Rotating supercells for tornadoes, not really looking too likely there. Low level wind shear may support maybe a few gusty wind reports, but the energy is really not going to be there as well. But we also do have that ignition ingredient. That's going to be that low pressure system and cold front that'll be sweeping through. That's going to be the triggering mechanism for these storms. So some things and not others. So we're not really going to be expecting too much in the way of severe weather. It's really going to be a low end chance. We'll begin things off tomorrow morning in the upper 50s and low 60s. South winds carrying in some moisture and some warmer temperatures. By noon, it's in our northern and western counties from Canton all the way into Mount Pleasant. Got some heavy thunderstorms there. By 3 o'clock, it's extending from Palestine all the way up into Jefferson, this broken line of thunderstorms. And then it really starts to get going, especially over deep East Texas as we head into the dinner time hours. Jacksonville through Carthage really gets its act together across Nacogdoches, San Augustine Center around 7:30, and then it's pretty much all out of here. At least that wave, the strongest wave, is going to be out of here by around 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. And then we have this minor secondary wave that'll be rolling through around 11 o'clock at night. Really won't be too terribly intense. And then it's all out of here by Sunday morning. 50s to start Sunday. We'll end up with some mostly cloudy skies to start and clearing for the afternoon, highs in the 60s. Again, we're going to be expecting at least 1 to 2 inches of rain. We're 5 to 6 inches below average for where we should be this time of season, so this will really help us out at least for a little bit. Won't really cure the drought, but definitely will make a little bit of a dent. 68 for the high tomorrow. Thunderstorms starting to roll in by the early afternoon, turns into rain for the evening. Weather impact alert for Saturday. We got that as our only chance of rain, and then we'll end up with some mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions into next week with highs up to 81 by Wednesday.